Good morning traders, David here from Daily Forecast. It's Tuesday the 13th of December 2022 and we're going to be doing analysis and forecast for Brent Oil. We're going to be doing Crude Oil, we're going to be doing Bitcoin and the Euro Daily. Subscribe to the channel, we do analysis and forecast every single morning, and we will be posting the full course early in the new year. Let's get straight into it. On Brent Daily, the chart in front of us here, you'll see that we're still in our down AB swing. We've got our A high and we've got our B low down here. We need today to close above this level as well to have a B low form. Two candles to the right. We don't have that yet. This day is still underway. So that's the daily chart, but we're still bearish on the daily chart. The 4-hour chart on Brent. You can see yesterday we said that we've got a B low in place. There's our current A high. You can see prices pulled up a little. Let's see if we do get up to the 618 or the 786. We've got an area here of past support that could become future resistance at about this 382 level. So we'll keep looking and seeing what we have there. But on the 4-hour we are still bearish, but we're looking for a retracement up. If I step down to the 1-hour chart, got some housekeeping to do here quickly. Yesterday we said on the 1-hour chart that we're still in a bearish AB swing. There's our A high, there's our B low. We said that two things we were looking for yesterday's trading activity. We're looking for a test of the 786 followed by a fall, or we were looking for price to come down and test the BF 786 area, give us a bullish candlestick formation for a rally up. We also said, because we've got a prior bounce up here, that if we fall down here, we're probably going to take out the A high. You can see we did get a bullish candlestick formation. We'll show you on the lower time frame. And price did rally and take out the A. So now we're not making lower highs and lower lows anymore. We have now broken this last high here. So we've got the start of a reversal. So let me remove that. And let me relabel this chart. This now becomes the new A low. Okay, and you can see here at some point we had a B high in place. This is not a very nice swing low. Okay, I will wait for another swing low to form. I will put this up here as we are still waiting for a B to form. So what do we have here? We've got the makings of an inverse head and shoulder pattern. If I were to draw it out for you, it's that there. That's our left shoulder. There's our head. Okay, and that's where price is now. So what we're looking for now, we're looking for a bit of a retracement. Okay, we'll get in at this level here and we're looking for a rally. When I say this level, this is not an accurate depiction. We're looking for a 618 or a 786. Okay, so that's what we are looking to form now. So we've got our A low and we're waiting for a B high to form, and then we're looking for price to retrace, but we've got the makings of a head and shoulder. So guys, we made our pips yesterday. We're done for the week. We've made our 120 pips. We are finished trading for the week. Let me move down to the 5-minute chart. So here on the 5-minute chart, you will see that this was the price action for yesterday. Price came down, and this low here is represented by this candle falling down over here. These candles over here. Okay, so get back to the 5-minute chart. So this is price falling, and what do we always say? We need price to fall down to the area of interest, which in this instance is the BF 786. There's the BF 786 on the 1-hour chart. Okay, we're in the area of interest. Price must give us a bullish candlestick formation. It must come back and it must test the bullish candlestick formation. You can see I did it once. There's one test, bullish candlestick formation. Another test, bullish candlestick formation. So you had an entry. I took the entry right there. Okay, there was an entry. There was another one over here. So depending on which, it doesn't matter which one of the two you actually took. You can see price went and rallied. There was another test for those that got in a bit later. There would have been another test. You can see price came down, nice bullish candlestick formation, and price rallied. And then that was the 120 pip trade. And we've made our percentages for the week thus far. So we're done for the week on a Monday again. Okay, so I'm hoping that you guys all took it, and then obviously, like we mentioned, that was the start of the actual reversal. Okay, let's look at crude oil. Crude oil on the 4-hour chart, you can see price has rallied up yesterday. We'll go down to the 1 hour and we'll show that in more detail. But here we're still on a bearish AB swing, A high, B low. We've got that level of past support, okay, that price has just actually gone through right now. Let's see, we're looking for price to hover, and sorry, not hover, we're looking for price to rally up to the 618 or 786 area, where we'll be looking for short entry opportunities. Down to the 1 hour chart, where we really look for actual entries. Got some housekeeping to do here as well. Yesterday we said we're still in the bearish AB swing. Price came up to the 786, and we said we're looking for, yesterday we also said in the analysis, you guys can go and check it out, we said that we're either looking for price to rally up to the 786, give us something bearish, enter on the 5-minute chart, or price must come down to the BF 786 and give us something bullish. You can see the latter happened when price came down to this levels around here. We then went down to the 5-minute chart and we found an entry. Now we also said a BF 786 with a prior bounce the way it has, it's hinting that price is going to break and take out the A high, and you can see price actually did that. We're not making lower highs and lower lows anymore. Same like crude, it's a start of a reversal, left shoulder, center, break of the A, looking for a retracement. So here as well we got housekeeping to do. This becomes our new A low. Okay, this here we're still waiting for a B high to form for the same reasons mentioned earlier. This isn't a nice swing low, so I wouldn't call that a swing low. This is a swing low, this is a swing low, this is not a swing low. So I can draw my fibs. No, I can't. I'm still waiting for another candle to the right, so I don't have a B high yet. Once I have that, I'll draw my fibs. I'm then waiting for price to pull down, and I want to get in at the 618 of that swing. Now moving down to the 5-minute chart, and this time on this candle, on this pair as well, is that, yeah, this is the 12th here. There you can see price came down. This fall here would also be this fall over here on the 1 hour chart. So price came down, tested it again. And there were 2 entry opportunities for you guys, and you can see prices rallied fantastically yesterday. So both trades worked out yesterday. I only took Brent. I mainly trade Brent oil, guys. Not mainly. I actually only trade Brent oil. I don't trade any of the other charts as such. I have enough pips and percentages from Brent, but I do analysis on the other pairs as well. That was crude. Let's look at Euro daily. Euro, you can see we're still largely sideways. We got our A low, we got our B high, and we are still looking for price to pull back deeper into that fib. We're not quite there as yet. Well, price hasn't. Yesterday we thought price was going to be pulling down, but we're not quite there as yet. So here 618 is lower down at 362 and the 786 down at 300. Nothing much to say about the daily chart. We're still in an uptrend. Let's go down to the smaller time frames. The 4-hour chart, we're still in an A low and a B high uptrend. This is the same swing that the 1 hour chart is in, so you can see it's a better view as such. There's a 382 bounce, price came up here, bearish candlestick formation. Yesterday we got a test, and we're still looking for price to fall down to 400 level over coming sessions. Let's see today if we do get a test of this candlestick formation and price actually falls down. On the 1 hour chart where we actually trade, there's our last A low, there's our last B high. You can see we've largely gone sideways since. We've had a deep 8-6 swing here. When I say 8-6 swing, I'm talking about this AB swing here. If you draw fibs from the A low to the B high, you can see price came deep into the 8-6. Then it rallied up right to the BF, okay, B failure area. And we said because that happened, we're looking at price taking out this A low over coming sessions. Yesterday we got another test. Yesterday we were saying we're looking for a test of that bearish candlestick there. You can see we did get a test and price has fallen back. Today again, let's see if we get a test of that. We're actually in that test region right now. I draw my swings. You can see we just went past the 618. So anything bearish right now will be an entry for short to go down. For those of you that took the short yesterday, you would have made some pips already. And let's see if there is another entry opportunity again today. Again, step down to the 5-minute chart, look for a bearish candlestick formation, a test thereof, and enter on that. I can show you yesterday's entries. You can see yesterday's entries. There's a bearish candlestick formation. Price came, test, another clear bearish candlestick formation, fell, came back, test again, even clearer bearish candlestick formation, and price has fallen down from there. Okay, so those are the entries that we're looking for. This kind of a setup, whether you're going long or whether you're going short, the long trade will just be inversed. Bitcoin, we back up to Bitcoin. There's our last A high, there's our last B low, just beyond the 382 bounce. We're in this area for a long time. You can see there's a bounce over there, and we said over here that price needs to clear this level to move on. Yesterday we also said the fact that price has fallen from those levels, not a good idea. We're probably looking at price pulling deeper into the swing before it rallies. We don't want it to fall beyond the 618. Typically, that will not be positive for our outlook, which is, let me back up here, our outlook is, sorry, our outlook is 18,500 over coming sessions. Okay, so nothing much to say on Bitcoin. It's doing the same thing. It's going largely sideways for very many weeks now. So we still need to open up 17,400 in order to open up the upside. Okay, if we do take out the lows, if price does fall and take out this B low, then this becomes our new A high over here. Okay, but support is around here, and support is at 16. Let me blow it up quickly. Support, as far as I see it, is somewhere around 16,500. If we fall below 16,500, then it's not good news for our long entry heading towards 18,500 over coming sessions. Okay guys, that's it. Like I said, we've reached our targets already. We are done trading for the week. We'll carry on with analysis for the rest of the week on these 4 pairs. Give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification. Every day we do an update and a forecast for the day ahead. And so far, since we started the channel a few weeks ago, it's been profitable every single week. Let us know if there's any other pairs you want me to analyze, and we can do that. And yeah, we'll be doing the course after the festive season, early in the new year. It'll all be posted on the channel, so that you will be able to understand how I label my charts. You'll be able to understand what the ABCDs are about, supports and resistances, candlestick formations, Fibonacci, ratios and extensions, all of those things, and then my own proprietary not ABCDs, B failure, what to do when price hits a certain level, and what the chart is telling us where price is going to go. You can see it played out absolutely clearly yesterday again, and it does this over and over again. Okay, we knew that if you get this candlestick done here, that price is going to take out this high there. Okay, and we called it yesterday, and it happened exactly like we said. So guys, subscribe, and I'll be back tomorrow morning, same time. Cheers, bye bye.